What's up, guys? It's your girl Brittany, and I'm back for another video on Best Easy Work. Alright, guys, so this is going to be a video on the Best Easy Work new back office. Well, I can't say it's a new back office, but they have done some updates to the back office. So, if you are a part of Best Easy Work, you definitely want to watch this video. Or if you have not become a part of Best Easy Work, it's completely free to join. Highly suggest that you go ahead and look in the description box below, click my link, or you can go to www.wifipayday.com and join right away, alright? So that way you guys can understand what's coming up in this video. So, what we're doing today is, again, going through the back office that's been changed, that's been updated. So here we are. You guys can check it out right here. First of all, when I've done my videos in the past with, the back office and everything, there was not the tax form. The tax form was not there yet, but it is now. So first things first, I highly encourage you, if you want to get paid, if you desire to get the paychecks in, in the mail or in your direct deposit account, you definitely need to fill out your tax form. So that's first and foremost, guys. Go ahead and make sure you complete that, or else you cannot get paid, okay? This video is the same. Nothing's really changed other than adding that step 2 right here for, fill out your tax form. So you definitely want to do that. I'm not going to go through this because this is all the same. This is what's been back there for a while. But the very newest thing, and that I'm so excited about, you guys, is that Best Easy Work has added other ways to get paid. Alright, they've taken existing opportunities and allowed us to put our affiliate links for these, various opportunities to put in our back office, so that way we can offer this to others. Okay, so now we're not just getting paid from Best Easy Work alone. We're able to kind of use leverage and use one central opportunity, which is Best Easy Work, to get paid from multiple platforms, alright? Multiple trusted platforms, I should say, because I do know Martin Ruiz, who's the owner of Best Easy Work. He's really vetted these opportunities to make sure that they are, on point for us, and that, it's not something that's going to get your PayPal account shut down, or that's going to, trigger any craziness, or that's not going to get shut down by the FTC. These are real great opportunities that truly do work. So first things first, he's got a quick 1-minute instructional video here that kind of explains everything, okay? I'll let you guys watch that on your own time. But as you see, it says, see proven opportunities below that complement Best Easy Work. Always great to have multiple income streams. You guys you guys know that I'm really big on multiple income streams. For the longest, if you've followed this channel for any little period of time, you know that while Best Easy Work is my main opportunity, I do have other opportunities in my arsenal. And if you want to check those opportunities out, I will also link those down in the description box. And also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Like, hit the button. Go ahead. I'll wait. Okay. Yes, hit the subscribe button, guys. It's free. Don't cost you nothing. And then hit the bell so that way you can be notified whenever I upload a new video in the future, okay? But yeah, for those of you that know me or have followed me for a little while, you guys know that I have multiple streams of income. So that's why this was perfect for me, because it still keeps me on track with promoting Best Easy Work first and foremost, and still, giving you guys the information that you need for Best Easy Work, while also providing you with another opportunity for another source of income at the same time. And I'm only promoting one business. It's so cool. So cool. And it's already been working for me, so I'm really excited about it. But let's go on, guys. So it says, please realize the following programs are all done for you. Turnkey, easy plans. No selling, no talking, no hassles. Plus, you get free marketing. So this is true, guys, because if you use the power of Best Easy Work, Best Easy Work is very turnkey. So you literally have a business in a box as soon as you, enter your information. You've got a business right there with training, your capture page. You even have an email system in your back office with Best Easy Work. So as long as people actually read over all the information on this front home page, you guys, people are going to be clicking these additional opportunities. I can pretty much guarantee it, only for the simple fact that it is truly working for me as well. And I'm not directly pushing these other opportunities outside of promoting my Best Easy Work link, if that makes sense. Alright, so if you're already a member, simply update your profile above. I'll show you guys that in a second, but let me just show you guys what is here, okay? So, as you see, it says people helping people. I'm not personally in that one just yet. I haven't, joined that. You can either click sponsor link, or you can just click the, default link for, to be referred by Best Easy Work. Either way, I mean, the link, like, let's say I'll just do a mirror plan, okay? This is my sponsor right here. This would be his page. And so if, he is in that opportunity, we can just click learn more. And it's going to actually take you to the page. So as you see, it took me to Martin Rui's capture page. That's because he's the admin, okay? So if my sponsor doesn't have an active... Ooh, excuse me. Hold on. Okay. Sorry about that. If my sponsor doesn't have an active link, then it's going to take me to the admin link, okay? So, pretty cool. I mean, we have a little capture page here that, allows people to get the information on what each individual opportunity is about. Let's see, the people helping people one. So you've got a video here. You can just click that and see it's not working. So I guess for this one, you would just have to hit that link so it can take you to the right page, right? So since my sponsor doesn't have a link for this one, you would have to just click the default link. Okay, Global Domains International, really, really great opportunity. I've been with that one for quite a while. I was with them. I don't think I'm active with them anymore. I need to check. But this is one that I can vouch for myself because I actually used it, have gotten paid from them a couple of times. I don't know why I wouldn't have it, but I'm going to get it back if I don't, okay? But yeah, Global Domains International, I'm going to click on sponsor link. This right here is like, you can get domains. Like, I mean, people always need domains. So if you need, like, for instance, mine, WiFiPayday.com, if you need a custom domain, you can get it from here. But also, you can share your link for other people to get their domains, and you can get paid for that. You know what I mean? So to me, it's just better, of course, because it's like, okay, with and not only is it a domain, I believe it's also hosting too, because you can use it for, like a WordPress website or, things like that. It's really cool. Really, really cool. You can just click, sorry, I think I clicked the video. I don't want to watch that. Just click here, and it will explain everything for you guys here, okay? So I'm going to get off of that one. Lead Pros, I am with that one. Lead Lightning, that one is really awesome. That's the one that's actually really working for me right now. Super easy, super awesome. Quick little $6 or $7, I think, opportunity that gets you $6 over and over and over. You can get paid a lot more if you decide to go up in the different opportunity levels there. So that one's not working. So since his is not there, we're going to go ahead and click default link. And it takes you there. You put in your email. Bam, you're good to go. Alright, so you guys can kind of see how this is working. Good Life USA, I'm not personally with that opportunity, but I'm just going to click on default link. So you see Best Easy Work has already done little capture pages for you. They've put videos there to kind of explain the opportunity without you having to put in, information ahead of time, because you've already done that with Best Easy Work. Even though these are other opportunities, it still just gives you a little bit of insight without the headache. You know what I mean? So then if you're like, ooh, I like this, hit learn more, and bam, you're there, okay? So that is honestly the coolest thing, guys. I just really think it's awesome that, we have the links here that, allow us to, get paid from other ways other than just Best Easy Work, which Best Easy Work is awesome, but you have an awesome free opportunity with Best Easy Work that you can share with so many people for free, and they go through in this back office and they may not upgrade to Best Easy Work, right? They may not upgrade right away in Best Easy Work, but they see, like, for instance, Lead Lightning, they see a awesome $7 program that gets leads, and also gets them paid. They can use that to get the money to upgrade to Best Easy Work. You get what I'm saying? So it's just an awesome flow of, of money making, y'all. It's just cool, because if somebody doesn't have the money for Best Easy Work to upgrade, let's say, to the $88 level, because I know that can be a lot for some people, if they don't have the money to upgrade to the $88 level, well, they can use this easy, $7. And I'm just going off of that because that's the one that really works for me, which is the Lead Lightning. They can pay $7, get $6 over and over and over, add it up, and bam, now they got $88 so they can pay to upgrade in Best Easy Work. Now they're making more money from Best Easy Work, and they're still making money from filtering in free members from Best Easy Work and leading them to Lead Lightning. You guys get what I'm saying? So I hope that makes sense. I guess this is right here is just giving you like some more links. Oh, let me show you guys this. So we're going to scroll up. The way that you actually update your links there for all of my existing Best Easy Work peeps, you're going to go to profile at the top, and all you're going to do is type in your usernames, okay? You don't type in the whole link. You just type in like your username. So past that, I can't really help you. You just have to find your username for each one of these opportunities, plug them in, and then hit save changes, and you're good to go, okay? I think I spit. Sorry. You guys, that's really it. I just think it's awesome because Best Easy Work is really just changing the game, I believe. It's a free system, guys. At the end of the day, it is a free system. It's free to join, free to get paid. You can still get paid as a completely free member, never having to pay anything out of pocket, which is just unreal in our industry right now. And then also you get paid even more whenever you decide to upgrade and position yourself at the right level. But now on top of all of that, on top of the goodness that is Best Easy Work, we've also got other ways within this same system to get paid. And that right there is on every single person's back office. And, as long as you've got a person that's going through their back office and doing their thing the way that they're supposed to, reading all the information, you're probably going to get some sales from other stuff, you guys. Just make sure that you have everything plugged in here, so that way, you're good to go and you're all good. So again, guys, if you have not already subscribed, please do so now. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you can get notified when I do new videos, you guys. I am going to have some more videos coming out of other things. I know you guys are probably like, damn, Brittany, you always talk about Best Easy Work. Can you talk about something else? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. And I will, guys. I will. But you guys know I'm just passionate about Best Easy Work. I really am. Because it's worked for me even when I was kind of at just a low point and I wasn't doing anything like I was supposed to as in promotion and things like that. But I'm back now. So that's all that matters. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.